tundra. You wake up and immediately feel it. The cold. Not just uncomfortable, but sharp, like the air itself is attacking you. You look around. No trees, no forests. Just flat land stretching endlessly, covered in ice and snow. This is the tundra. At first, it feels empty. But it's not. It's just quiet. Beneath your feet is something called permafrost. Ground that has been frozen for thousands of years. And that changes everything. Because if the ground is always frozen, roots can't grow deep. And if roots can't grow deep, trees don't stand a chance. So instead, life here stays low. Moss, lichen, small shrubs that hug the ground to avoid the wind. And the wind? It never really stops. Now look closer at the animals. An Arctic fox walks by. It's small, but thick with fur. Even its feet are covered, like built-in boots. Everything here is designed to keep heat in. Because heat is rare. Food is rare. And winter can last most of the year. So life slows down, moves carefully, conserves energy. In the tundra, survival isn't about growing fast or being strong. It's about one thing: enduring. Desert. Now suddenly, the cold is gone, replaced by heat, blinding sunlight, dry air, not a cloud in sight. You're in the desert. At first glance, it looks lifeless, just sand, rocks, emptiness. But again, that's not true. The desert isn't empty. It's just selective. Rain almost never comes, and when it does, it disappears quickly, either soaked into the ground or evaporated by the sun. So water becomes the most valuable thing in existence, and everything here is built around that fact. You see a cactus. It doesn't have leaves, because leaves lose water. Instead, it has thick skin to store it, spines instead of branches. Even its shape is designed to reduce evaporation. Now look at the animals. Most of them are hiding, because the desert has two worlds: day and night. During the day, temperatures can become unbearable, so animals stay underground in burrows, avoiding the sun. But at night, the desert comes alive. Cooler air, movement, hunting. Some animals don't even drink water directly. They get it entirely from the food they eat. Because here, wasting water is not an option. In the desert, survival is simple. Use nothing you don't absolutely need. Tropical rainforest. Now imagine this shift. You hear something: dripping water, buzzing insects, bird calls echoing above you. The air is thick, heavy. You can almost feel it when you breathe. Welcome to the tropical rainforest. This is the opposite of the desert. Water is everywhere. Rain falls constantly, and because of that, life explodes. You look up, but you can't even see the sky, because layers of trees stack on top of each other. The forest has levels. The forest floor, dark and crowded. The understory, filled with smaller plants. And the canopy, where sunlight finally reaches. Most life exists above you, not around you. Monkeys swing through branches. Birds glide between trees. Insects move everywhere, and everything is competing. Plants compete for sunlight. Animals compete for food. Even space is limited. So organisms evolve strange solutions. Plants grow on other plants. Vines climb upward to steal sunlight. Some animals develop bright colors, either to attract mates or warn predators. But here's the surprising part. Even though the rainforest is full of life, the soil is actually poor, because nutrients get used almost instantly. Nothing goes to waste. Dead material is broken down immediately and reused. In the rainforest, survival isn't about conserving or enduring. It's about one thing: keeping up. savanna. Now, you're back on land. Tall grass surrounds you. You can see far into the distance. A few trees are scattered around, but not many. This is the savanna. At first, it seems calm, open, quiet. But this biome is full of movement because it runs on a cycle: wet season and dry season. When the rains come, grass grows quickly, food becomes abundant, and animals gather in huge numbers: herds of zebras, wildebeest, elephants. But when the dry season arrives, everything changes. Water disappears, grass dies, and suddenly survival means moving. So herds migrate across massive distances, searching for food and water. And they're not alone. Predators follow: lions, cheetahs, hyenas. The savanna becomes a constant chase. Every movement matters. Stay too long, you starve. Move at the wrong time, you become prey. Even plants adapt to this cycle. Some trees have thick bark to survive fires, which are common in dry seasons, because fire clears old growth and makes room for new life. In the savanna, survival isn't about stillness. It's about knowing when to move and when to stay. Marine. Now, you step forward and fall into water. Endless water. You're in the marine biome. And suddenly, everything changes, because this isn't just another environment. It's an entirely different system. The ocean covers most of the planet, but it's divided in a way we don't usually think about. Not by land, but by depth. Near the surface, sunlight reaches the water. Plants grow, coral reefs form, fish swim in huge schools. This area is full of life. But as you go deeper, light fades, temperature drops, pressure increases, and eventually, there is no light at all. Total darkness. Down here, creatures evolve in ways that seem impossible. Some have enormous eyes, some have none at all. Some create their own light, a process called bioluminescence. Tiny flashes in the dark ocean. Signals, traps, communication. Food is scarce, so everything is opportunistic. Eat whatever you can, whenever you can, because the next meal might not come for a long time. In the ocean, survival isn't about land or weather. It's about one rule. The deeper you go, the stranger it gets. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. And if there's another topic you want explained, comment it below.